87 miles an hour.
For what?
You're driving 87 miles an hour and I got a recording. What's your name and what's your badge number?
My name is Schmeichel and my badge number is HP162.
Okay.
And I was not driving 87 miles an
Oh,
hour.
I've got you. I've got you on GPS. I've got you on GPS on this.
Those are oversized tires.
Hello YouTube. On today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel Public Land Anarchists. Please take a moment and head over their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. Today's video took place on April 8th, 2021 in the state that brings us Mount Rushmore and the Badlands, South Dakota. The man in the video was driving down the highway when he noticed a South Dakota state trooper was traveling in excess of 90 miles an hour on the highway without any of his emergency lights or sirens activated. The man decides to pace the state trooper from about a mile behind to catch on video the pace that the trooper is traveling. After following the trooper for miles at this speed, the man decides to flag the trooper down, and that is when the fun begins. Now, let's dive right into today's video and see how this plays out.
Yes, sir.
87 miles an hour.
For what?
You're driving 87 miles an hour and I got a recording. What's your name and what's your badge number?
My name is Schmeichel and my badge number is HP162.
Okay.
And I was not driving 87 miles an
Oh,
hour.
I've got you. I've got you on GPS. I've got you on GPS on this.
Those are oversized tires.
No, they're
Is that
not.
here calibrated or no?
No.
Okay.
You have no reason. Get in your car and get to work. I'm
I was
calling
doing
your...
84 and you had to catch me, so how
No,
fast
no.
are you doing, sir?
I was timing it for miles,
Okay.
brother.
So how fast did you drive to catch me, sir?
I got it.
How fast did you drive to catch
I'm doing a citizen's arrest.
I'm just curious on how fast you drove to...
Doesn't matter. I've got it all on
you had to
GPS.
catch me, sir.
I want to pause for a second and point out that, like every state, police officers in South Dakota are authorized to ignore traffic laws while they are in an emergency situation. With that said, officers have to have their red and blue lights on and or use their emergency sirens on their vehicles. They are not authorized to ignore traffic laws in any other situation. This officer had neither his lights or sirens on while he was traveling in excess of 90 miles per hour. Police officers are not above the law, And in my opinion, they should be held to a higher standard than civilians because of the authorities that have been granted to them.
I'm going to be sending this to your superior.
Is there anything else you need from me, sir?
Get to work.
I'm trying to work, but you had to speed to catch me.
I'm just glad you didn't try to pick somebody else up.
Wrong was all.
Huh?
I was just curious if something was wrong since you had to speed to catch me and then wave your
No,
hand.
you're my employee and you're driving my car fucking fast.
Okay. But since you had to speed to catch me,
Yeah.
you were breaking the law also?
You do it every day.
You break the law every day.
You do.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
You do.
I break the law every day.
Yeah.
How
You
was that, sir?
you speed to catch people just like I did.
Okay.
Yeah. You're the
So,
same as me.
you speeding to catch someone speeding is okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
To report you and get your
You can
tag
report
number.
me all you want, sir.
I'm going to.
That's fine.
Yeah. You know, there's a distance between you guys and us. And it's that. The community sees that. Everybody's holding back and wondering, why is that cop going 87 miles an hour?
I was not doing 87 miles an hour. That's
You
all.
absolutely were.
Okay, no, I was not.
Okay.
We can disagree with that all the time.
Okay.
Just
My
because
last
you have, doing 87 miles an hour doesn't mean I was doing 87 miles an hour.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Just like your
Because you
radar
catch
gun,
me
just like your radar gun is
doesn't mean I
supposed
was
to be
doing 87
accurate.
miles an hour.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you
So
were.
I understand you are upset.
Yeah.
And
So what is the speed limit, officer?
the speed limit is 80 miles an hour.
How fast were you going?
I was doing 83 miles an hour.
Isn't that speeding,
That is
officer?
speeding. You are correct.
Okay, you're guilty. Get
Yeah,
back to work.
But I was not doing 87, sir. So,
81 is speeding, officer.
sorry.
81 is speeding, Officer Schmeichel.
I agree 81 is speeding.
Okay.
However, if I do 80 miles an hour on the interstate, everyone will stack up behind me and because they will not pass me. So I try to do 83 so I don't create people stacked up behind me in an unsafe situation. Okay? That's why I do 83.
Will you pick me up if I'm going 83?
If I'm sitting in the median clocking and you're going 81 miles an hour, I will not stop you 99% of the time.
Will you
Because
pick me
our
up?
radar has a 1% plus or minus.
Officer
When it's in moving
Schmeichel,
motion, it
will
has a
you
plus
pick-
or 2 minus.
will
So
you
it does
pick
have
me up?
plus or 2 minus.
Will you pick me up if I'm going 83 miles an hour? Yes or no?
I could stop you if you're going 83 miles an hour.
Would
That is
you?
correct.
Would you?
I might, depending on the situation.
Okay.
I can't give you a definitive yes or no, okay? We do have discretion. I'm sure you've heard of that.
I've never seen it.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
I've never seen discretion.
You've never seen discretion.
No.
You know what discretion is, though, correct?
Don't be smart with me.
When the cars drive by, I can't hear you, sir, so you're going to have to speak up.
Get back to work.
Okay. You don't tell me what to do.
Yeah, I can. Work for me.
You're absolutely
Get
correct.
back to work.
You're absolutely correct. So I would suggest you not speed anymore to catch speeders because that's unsafe and that's also against the law. Okay?
That's
You have-
funny.
What's that?
That's funny.
Well, I'm glad I could make you
Get back to work.
Have a fantastic day, sir.
You too.
Well, YouTube, I hope you like this video. And please remember and go over and check out Public Land Anarchist's YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until the next episode of Know Your Rights, stay safe out there.